Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up automating late fees with Avail, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up automating late fees with Avail, begin by logging into your Avail account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings section from your dashboard. From the settings menu, look for the rent collection option and click on it. In the rent collection settings, find the late fees section. Here, you will see an option to enable late fees. Toggle the switch to turn this feature on. Next, specify the amount you want to charge as a late fee. You can also select the time frame for when this fee will apply, such as how many days after the due date the fee will take effect. Be sure to read any notes on additional options related to late fees, such as whether to charge a flat fee or a percentage of the overdue rent. Once you have made your selections, scroll down to find the Save button. Click Save to apply your changes. To ensure everything is set up correctly, return to the rent collection section. Review the details under the late fees area to confirm your settings are properly configured. After verifying your settings, exit the settings menu and return to your dashboard. Remember that you can always adjust your late fee settings in the future as needed. Now, your automating late fees are successfully set up with Avail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.